Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bevy. If you're new here, if you're a return subscriber, thank you for coming back. As you can tell by the title, I will be sharing with you my famous rice water treatment for hair growth. So I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process of how I prepare my rice water. So without talking much, just stay tuned and enjoy this. So first and foremost, what you do is to rinse the rice with water. And then once you're done rinsing the rice, you pour it into a mason jar or a plastic bowl, or something like what I have here. And then you pour your rice into it. Then you add your water. You can add water as much as you want depending on the amount of rice you placed in. I normally go ahead to add orange peels to help to mask the scent that comes with fermented rice water. So this actually helps the scent to go down. Then I added a little of palm kernel oil from Adepanaturals, and then I added Namay beauty hair growth oil, and then I also went ahead to add Cantu's tea tree oil and jojoba, and then finally I added Yasmine Naturals Afro and dreads growth oil to it. So this is how it looked like after I added all the oils to it. Then I covered it up. So yeah, this is how it looks like now. Once that was done, I went ahead to bring out my spray bottle so I can pour the rice water into it for application. I would advise you get a funnel when you're about to pour the rice water, but I couldn't find my funnel, so I went ahead to pour it straight into the bottle without it. So yeah, just like that, your rice water is ready to be used. And yeah, and a way of preserving your rice water is by keeping it refrigerated. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, please feel free to subscribe if you find this useful. If you're an OG, thank you very much for coming back. See you soon.